Hello everyone. Let's talk about mutable variables. So mutable variables are variables that can have their own value changed after they are internally assigned. However, if you need to modify a variable value, you must explicitly declare it as a mutable using the mute keyword. For example, let mute x equal to true. And when I assign the value false to x and I run the code, it works. Now let's talk about scope variable. In Rust, the scope of a variable defines where a variable is accessible and how long it exists in memory. For example, let a equal to 8, and when I print the x, its value is 8. So Rust uses blocked scope variable, which means a variable is valid and accessible only within the block where it is defined. Once the block is existed, the variable goes out of scope and memory is released. Variable can be shadowed, redeclared in nested scope, which allows you to reuse the variable name. Shadowing enables the new value to temporarily override the previous one in a deeper scope. Let's see one example. Here let me declare a variable let a equal to 8. Inside the curly braces, there is one more block with a equal to 15. When I run the code, the inner block variable of value is 15 and the outer variable a is 8. This defines a variable a in the outer scope with the value 8. Inside the block between the curly braces, another variable a is declared. This new variable shadows the outer a within the block and it has the value 15. When we print inside the curly braces, we'll print the value of the inner a, which is 15, because it is the active variable in the inner scope. After the block ends, the inner a goes out of scope. So when you call println, the outer a is still available and its value 8 is printed. Thank you.